Yes, today I think this video actually came late, but it's worth it. If you were able to invest in Treasury this week, that is from 18th up to if it's from 18th to the end of this week, then this is the interest rate you are actually getting, okay, for your investment, and that is what I wanted to talk to you about. We are going to make it as an important responsibility for us to let a video of this kind comes out every Monday or Tuesday if possible. So here is it. If you are able to invest in a 91-day treasury bill, okay, this is your interest you see here. But don't forget, this is 3 months treasury bill, and 3 months goes into the 12 months 4 times. So you are dividing this by 4 to get the interest rate for the 3 months. Okay, so you have to note that. Also, this is for 364-day bill. Okay, this is for the 1 year. For the 1 year, you don't divide, you don't do anything with it because the interest that you see here is a per annum. It means for the whole year. Okay, then we have the 6 month one here, which is 14.0039. Now, let me come with my calculator, and then we would use this. Okay. Now it is clear. Let's do the math here so that we all get to know the interest for each of them. Okay. So 13.8698. Okay. Divided by 4. So without any kind of thinking hard on the interest that you will get, this is the interest rate you are getting this week. You can note it somewhere and then use it for the calculation. Okay, use it for your calculation. This is the interest that you are actually getting. This is the interest, which is 3.46745. This is the interest rate your money will be calculated if you decide to go with the 91-day treasury bill, okay, which is the 3 month treasury bill. If you decide to go with it, this is the interest rate. Okay, this is the interest rate. Now let's get to, I already told you that the 364-day bill, you don't need to divide or do anything with it. This one is for the 16.7038, and that is it. You don't do anything with it. So you just take it and then do your calculation with it. Now, what about 6 months? The 6 months interest is 14 points. Okay, 14.0039. You divide by 2 because 6 months is 2 times to get, okay, those 2 times in 12 months. Okay, it's 6 times 2, which is 12 months. How many times do we have 6 months in 12 months? It's 2. So you divide by 2 because the rate you see here is for the whole year. So if you want for 6 months, you have to divide by 2 to get it. So you divide by 2. It means that if you decide to invest for the 6 months treasury bill, then your rate is 7.00195. Okay, 7.00195. Now, I just hope that you have a book there to record all this, and then if you decide to invest this week, you exactly know the interest rate that you are getting. Now, let's come here. Let's say that you decided to invest 5,000 this week in 6 months treasury bill. How much are you getting? That is it. So first you need to get to know the interest that you are getting on your money. Then you multiply Then you divide, okay, by 100 because it is in percentage. What you see there, 7.00195 is in percentage. So 7.00195% is what is there. Now, the percent is per 100, so divide by 100. Then you multiply by the amount. So let's say it's 5,000. 1, 2, 3. How much you're investing is 5,000. Then you are getting 350.0975, which is 350.10. Okay, this is something that you're getting. So you can use a simple method that I use to calculate, okay, the treasury bill to calculate any amount that you want to invest this week. Now let's get to the 1 year. If you decide to invest one 5,000 this week for 1 year, treasury bill 16.7038. How much are you getting? Divide the rate by 100 because it is in percentage and multiply by your 5,000, and that will give you 835 cedis 19 pesos. 835 cedis 19 pesos. So if you have any 5,000 lying there, you can do to invest it for a year, and that is it. Okay, what if that money stays in treasury bill for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? Well, you see that it will be growing instead of it being in the account and doing nothing. Okay, now let's get to what again? Let's get to the 3 months. Already it's 13.8698. So we divide by 4. We got 3.46745. Okay, this is divided by 100 because it is in percentage. Okay, then we multiply by our 5,000. So if you decide to invest, okay, if you decide to invest in the 91-day treasury bill, your 5,000 will give you 173.3725. So roughly, well, yes, 173.37. That will come in addition to. So you see that at the end of the maturity period, the money that will come like this. Instead of your 5,000, you will receive 5173.3725 in your bank account. Okay, if it was the 1 year, it will come like 5835 points. Okay, and something like this. So you all know your rate that you are picking or you are getting within this week. So happy investing and have a nice weekend as well. Thank you.